We're good? Hello. Hey. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start. So hello, my name is Heather Switzer. I am the president of the Graduate Student Association for Computer Science. I'm a fifth-year PhD student and with a specialization in computational science, and I work under Dr. Stathopoulos over there. So everyone got to meet the faculty members and stuff through the lightning talks and the panels. So I'm actually going to pass the mic around and have everyone quickly introduce themselves, and then we'll start with the Q&A stuff. Can you pass it to me?
Hi, everyone. I'm Sunil Manandar. I graduated 2 months earlier. I'm currently working at IBM Research on Zero Trust Security. My advisor was Dr. Natkarni while I was here.
Good afternoon. My name is Aaron Harris. I'm a master's student currently working on my thesis, and I also work at Syneos Health as a data scientist.
Hi, everyone. My name is Nathan Cooper. I work with Dennis Pochovanik. I also am interning at ServiceNow, and I'm in my 5th year.
Hi, my name is Anna Schmedding. I am from the MS/PhD program. I work with Evgenia Smirny. I'm a 4th year.
Hello, I'm Amit Silami. I am an international 5th year PhD student here. I work with Dr. Dennis Pochovanik and Dr. Adit Natkarni, specializing on cybersecurity and software engineering.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Lishan Yang, and I just graduated in June this year. Now I'm an assistant professor in George Mason University, and I used to work with Evgenia Smirny and also now for continuing on my system reliability research.
I assume that we're ignoring the alarm. Cool. So before I start with like a list of questions, does anyone have anything in the audience or I guess via Zoom as well? Cool. All right. We're good. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, so we ignore that. All right. So oh, do we? Oh. Well, this is a bit.
Does everyone remember the exit is that way behind us? That's the closest one, okay?
So is the Zoom still?
Okay, so I'm just going to continue until further notice. All right, so I don't see any questions, so I'm going to ask the first one, and it's, why did you decide to go to graduate school? Anyone?
I can start. Well, so the reason for me is pretty simple. I think my personality doesn't fit in the industry, and give a reason, I think everyone will laugh. I don't want to work for the rich people. So that's the main reason I go to PhD and then stay in academia. Well, it's not joking, it's a real reason. And the one second support for that is like, I like the research itself. Every time I build something either successfully or I failed it, no matter what happened, I'm still happy. I think that's the main reason.
All right, I can go next. So for me, I would say from a very young age, I have been always interested in science and research. And I have tried a lot of different things like gaming and working in the industry and whatnot, and finally figured that inventing research and creating knowledge is the thing for me. So yeah, that's my reason.
I guess for me, in undergrad, I was interested both in doing the research part and also somewhat in the teaching side of things, which, I mean, I did do TA, but there's not a whole lot of like teaching in that. But it did make me interested in applying to graduate school in order to learn more about, I guess, more of the research side of things.
So I was a fan of Big Bang. And the person on there, Sheldon Cooper, shared the same last name with me. And so Dr. Cooper sounded really cool. Also, I always liked the idea of the pursuit of knowledge. And one of my advisors when I was an undergrad really showed me what a really good professor could give to his students. And so I wanted to become a professor.
So admittedly, my motivation changed over the course of the program. Originally, I came in because I have what I'm going to call a very unrelated undergraduate degree. And I wanted to formalize what I was already doing for a living. I was already working as a software developer. Through the course of the master's program, though, I've learned that I really have a desire to do more research, that I enjoy being involved in the research side of things. And that has become my motivation at this point, but it shifted over the course of the program.
For me, it was a bunch of decisions I had to make. So I'm from Nepal, and I finished my undergrad, so I had to do a grad program. It was a decision between doing it in Nepal versus doing it in US. We got a message which says this is not the best sheltering place. Should we verify the word?
I got you.
Yeah, we need to bring people in. So we think that's one of the things that okay. So get out.
Oh, yeah. No.
That's close. No, not anymore.
Well, so there's two exits.
So. It makes you feel better. Most people can't find the IFC building.
Yeah.
So we're kind of safer here than most places.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will be the last spaces to be able to see.
Is that possible?
That I have experience.
How did you figure out that?
Oh, no, maybe okay. Just try. Yeah. I feel like it should be.